Perkembangan pendidikan yang pesat di era revolusi industri 4.0 menuntut pendidik untuk dapat menjadi penggerak perubahan, berkarakter, dan kreatif. Untuk itu, dibutuhkan inovasi-inovasi sehingga dapat memberikan pembelajaran yang tidak hanya menitik beratkan pada sisi akademik, tetapi juga pada pembentukan karakter peserta didik. Saya, Fatmawati, mahasiswa PPG dalam Jabatan Universitas Al-Muslim tahun 2022. Welcome to my mathematics class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you doing, ladies?
Alhamdulillah, very great.
Alhamdulillah, yeah, I'm also very good today. As always, before we begin the lessons, let's start with the prayer. The prayer begins. Okay, it's finished. The attendance of the students who are not coming today? No one? So all of you are here? Oh, okay. So Alhamdulillah, we have 100% of attendance. We sing a national song during your holiday times. Yeah, so let's come back to schools here with the nationalism. So maybe you can stand up, yeah. Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Thank you very much. You can now sit down.
So we watched the videos about the quadratic functions. Are you familiar with this?
Hello students, welcome back to Nisama's class. In this video, we are going to look at the applications of quadratic equations using everybody's favorite pastime, Angry Birds. As you can see, the flight path of an angry bird is very similar to the graph of a quadratic function. The bird is going to get shot up into the air and head out to the highest point. We can find the highest point algebraically, or we can find it using our calculator. Thunderbird has to come down after it reaches its maximum height. This forms a quadratic function. As the bird comes down, it might hit a peak. We can figure out if our specific bird will hit the peak by looking at the order pair the peak is located at. We can check the table and our calculator to look for some more order pair, or we can algebraically use the order pair to see if it's a solution to the quadratic equation. Quadratic functions have many applications in our daily life. And for today's lessons, you will learn quadratic functions using the model of discovery learning, where you will have to work out with a series of questions using your knowledge of quadratic functions, including finding the vertex of a quadratic, the axis of symmetry, and the intercept of the axis. I hope you will enjoy the lesson.
Let's begin. blood. Okay? Guys, another important thing is, today you are going to learn using the model of discovery learning, the purpose of today's lesson. This one. So by the end of this lesson, I expect you to be able to sketch the graph of quadratic function on the Cartesian coordinates. Okay? And on the second one, you are able to analyze the characteristics of the quadratic functions. Yeah, what are they? Including the x and y intercept, and then we have the vertex, yeah, and also the line of symmetry. Okay. And the last but not least is you are able to solve the contextual problems about the quadratic function. So remember, we are going to do a lot of investigation. Yeah, because you are going to discover all of this. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, we are going to have the video interactive and then join the example from the barcodes on the screen. I share the link in advance on your Google Classrooms, but if probably your link is not working, you can come and then scan again on the screen. Okay? What you are going to do in our activities? Okay, so you will answer the questions, yeah, based on your knowledge, yeah.
Of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So, for example, let's replace a, b, and c, those coefficients, with 1.
Okay, please answer the first questions. What are the value of A, B, and C respectively? Okay, so using your knowledge. Alright, so what idea do you get to sketch the graph of the quadratics, yeah, after you watch this video? Who can explain? Angel again. Yes, my dear.
We should find vertex first.
So vertex first, okay?
Using the formula like minus b divided by 2a. And then we find dy. We find x and then we find dy, and then we choose another x, and then we find y using substitution, and then we find dy.
Okay. All right. And so first we find the vertex. Yeah. Find the vertex. So we find this using the formula of minus b over 2a. So you will do a group works, yeah. So previously we have arranged the groups. Are you happy with that groups?
Yeah.
Okay, so ladies, let's go. Yeah, you have the group of circles, rectangles, parallelograms, rhombus, yeah. Okay. First of all, I will give you the modules, okay, and identify as many as informations or questions that you need. LKPD, okay? Plan your group work activity based on this LKPD, okay? So have you all read the module? Yes? Okay, please highlight the important information, or if there is any questions, yeah, so that we can discuss. Why don't you distribute the works, yeah? We can also find the information from the laptops, yeah, from the Cambridge Online Mathematics. Ladies, yeah, please be active in the group. I'm going to check your activities your collaborations, and your responsibilities in the groups, okay? We're going to have the spinning wheel. Select your ladies. The first group to present is Rambus. Which one is group Rambus?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we are from Rambus and we want to present our answer for the worksheet.
What about Talita's group? Is it the same with yours? It's also the same, okay? Alright, so thank you very much, ladies. So you can go back to your seat, yeah. So before we close the lesson, yeah, so please collect back the LPD. Please go back to your regular seat. Keep your smartphones and also your laptop. Take the summaries of these lessons. Yes, Nisa?
So at first, we know that we can draw the curve on the map without the letter,
Yes.
and we can solve the real life problem with math.
Okay, so we can solving the real life problems, yeah? Okay, and any other students want to say? Sariha, maybe? What do you get from today's lessons?
How to calculate the making the parabola without the calculator.
Okay.
X-axis, y-axis, and vertex, and how the parabola is also easily found in our daily life.
Okay, alright. Let's do making ice activity. Okay, ladies, can you please stand up? All of you. Okay. So when I say walk, you walk. Okay, walk. When I say stop, you stop. Okay, ladies, walk. Stop. Walk. Stop. Okay, now when I say name, you say your name, okay? Alright? Walk. Name. Stop. Walk. Name. Okay. Okay, give a round of applause to all of us. Okay, you can go back to your seat, and I believe now you are ready for the evaluations, yeah? Okay. Alright, so I'll give you the papers here. So you are going to do this in 10 minutes, yeah? With the paragraph, yeah? Okay, yeah? I'm sorry, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi